and VHS and Betamax. Okay? Papas kami ng... Because back then, the technology was not as good. Now remember that in the past, we passed on a VHX and a Betamax and tell them, panoorin mo muna at mag-usap tayo ulit. That's how we did it. For the first year or first year or two. And then, suddenly, in 1998, 1999, Globe introduced Nextday. Okay, before that kasi, pagers yun, and before that, cell phones, and it was very expensive to phone. It was Globe and Smart that revolutionized the way network marketing has been done. And I tell you this because technologies impact behavior, realistically. Technologies create new preferences. Human behavior does not change, but there are some preferences in the way we express leadership and behavior that changes. Now, what does that mean? That if you are not a leader, someone will tell you what to do. If you're a leader, you can adjust. You can adjust, and instead of being passive, you can choose to win in the environment. That's what I want to help you understand. Bakit? Because we can change the system now, which I refuse to. Because you are in the field. I promise you AI is coming, and in 10, 15 years, there will be less and less jobs, more and more leaders in the market. So the greatest skill you have to get now is your leadership. Skills will keep changing because technology will keep changing them. If I keep teaching you how to do stuff, you will be outdated immediately in 5 years. But if I provide you with a proper mindset, the world can change, but you can keep adapting because that's what leaders do. Okay? So for example, what is now do you agree, yes or no?
Yes.
So it's not you, it's not your team, it's our world changing so quick for us. The past 5 years has seen the most drastic change. Agree or disagree? Okay, we've had a lockdown. And whether we like it or not, the lockdown has created huge changes in behavior. Agree?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
For example, during my generation, the way we created prospect was make your 300 name list, wala mo ng pangalan, and then add telephone numbers and their position. Agree or disagree?
Yeah.
Ngayon, you cannot call people by the phone anymore, tama? And for a while, I did use technology, but this is reality. Even me, I don't answer phone calls. Because every time I answer a phone call, it's a bank.
Or scammer.
Credit card or scam. And so if these are the only phone calls I get, why do I expect my downlines to still make phone calls? And so finally, we can put down the phone calls the way we put down VHS and Betamax, tama? Leaders change privately, but rarely announce publicly because we assume that leaders will adapt along the way. You don't wait for facts pa ko lang tell you, wag ka nang magtawag. We expect you to do what is effective. That's what leaders do. But what has not changed? What has not changed is that you need to put the presentation or the opportunity or the business in front of people. So in the past, how do we present the business? Give them a VHS and a Betamax. That was what is required. Now, what does not change is that trust continues to be a factor as long as people are involved.
Yes.
Trust is an issue. So when we could not call people anymore, we could not ask them to prepare a 300 name list, what did people do? They resorted to LinkedIn and Facebook. It's been a year and a half now, and I've been observing leaders do that. Whether they like it or not, I will make this announcement. Cold does not work anymore than that. So what does it mean? You can still talk to cold people, but you have to warm it first.
Yeah.
But because it's not really about cold or warm, it's about trust. The principle is creating trust before people can trust you enough to either buy your products or join your business. Trust will never change because human beings will not change. Connection right now. In the past, when you're passing on a VHS or Betamax, the connection already existed, tama? Because you wouldn't pass it to strangers, you'll pass it to friends, someone you know. You've already established a connection long before you thought about passing the VHS or the Betamax. Tama? When you made phone calls, it was assumed na may connection na kayo. Long before you actually called them over the phone, tama? Today, when you do LinkedIn and Facebook, have you warmed them up first? That's the question I have to ask. And what are the new ways of creating warmth and connection? Now we've tried, for example, sending scripted messages, tama? But whether we like it or not, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all the platforms have decided to limit these connections. Agree or disagree?
Yeah.
But because scammers also happen. They also do that. So Facebook and LinkedIn, I think, have to limit hanggang ilan lang per day naman.
Yeah.
Yes or no? But Facebook and LinkedIn were not created anyway for those connections. Those kinds of connections. They were created to connect deeper further. Which means that hindi ka pinipigilan makipag-make ng friends. Pinipigilan ka magbenta. But, so part of the mindset I want you to understand is this. If you think that you are going to keep selling a new skin, you will not win the game talaga. Instead, what are you doing? You are offering them something that will make their lives better. You have to understand what new skin, what is created, or what are you building in new skin. You need to have a proper, like I was talking to Ryan recently about this. And I was telling Ryan, na part of what makes PD different is that we do not see prospects as prospects. Okay, we see them as possible, and that's for me. Sabi ko, Ryan, the tools can change, but the reason for doing new skin has not changed at all. Sabi ko sa kanya, for example, I'll give you an example of what I do, whether it was in the VHS era, or the my era, or the new era. Do all fathers want to make money for their families? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Do all fathers want to make their wives happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, diba? So in my first episode, please watch.
Yes.
Papalo mo ka. In the first
Like
episode,
and subscribe.
link and ring the bell. Ring the bell. Seriously, it has not changed at all. Okay? Why do we do what we do?
Para saan?
Para kanino? Para saan? Has not changed. So I told Ryan, whether today or even in the past, the convo has always been, why are you doing new skill?
That's the
Why
point.
would you, di pa nga new skill eh. Why do you do what you do? Ba't ka nagtatrabaho? Why are you an accountant? Why are you an engineer? Is it really about money? Or is it because you wanted to have a family that you're fighting for?
Yeah.
Agree or disagree?
Agree.
So when I'm prospecting people, I'm not just looking for people who will sign up from me. Second or third mindset na yun. You're looking for people who are like you, who have the same values, who are fathers, who are wives, who are parents, that love what they have in their lives so that they can connect with the same people. Agree or disagree?
Yeah.
So how do you translate that into the newer conversation then? So in the past, it was easy. You make a call, 2-3 minutes, you meet up with them and start that conversation. Tama? Today, people continue to do differently. So what does it mean? For example, trust is an issue. Tama? And you can only talk to people who are like you, yes or no?
Yeah.
So nag-isip ako, grabe to. And I realized that there are tools you can use today that will do the same thing. Okay, ito, nakuha kay Kate. Diba? Because I've seen Kate post very rarely in the past. And I've seen Kate post very often now. And ako kasi, I'm very quick to, leaders kasi pick up and adapt very quickly. Okay, in fact, I found out JM is now 70,000. 80,000. Yes, 80,000 views. Now when I think about that, ako kasi, wala akong apply, diba? So when I talk to people, I create a conversation first to establish my credibility. That's why I talk about San Miguel, Pepsi-Cola, because nobody edifies me.
Yeah.
Right? Remember? So unless meron kang post that edify, like Ryan edified me, I don't talk about my past. But if Ryan doesn't exist, I talk about my past to establish my credibility. Tama? And I thought about how do I still do this today? That's where your Facebook and Instagram and social media show up. And if you only post once a day, they will not know you. You have to start posting as fast as many as possible. But because you want to start hitting as many people as possible. Now, you cannot just post anything anymore because you have to establish credibility in your posts. So it has to be a authority post or influence post. What is authority? I don't have to explain authority post, right? Do I have to explain influencer post? Like, simple lang. Sa utak ko kasi, it's all the same principles. Influencer post means post that will attract people to your lifestyle.
Yeah.
So either a father, wife, husband, those types. So that the people who are like you will react when you post.
Yes, that's right.
Right? And when you react, you also react to people who are like you. So you also react to fathers, wives, husbands, and start creating a warm connection there. The principles have not changed. The tools have changed though. And so we have to learn to adapt along the way. Does that make sense? So when I think about what's going on, 2026 isn't about, okay, doing the old ways harder. Okay, it's about what? Leading a new era in the industry talaga. It always starts with leadership and adapting as fast as we can. Because true leaders look at what's happening in the world, understand principles, and adapt. Leaders adapt the fastest. Leaders learn the fastest. And leaders go in the fastest possible. If you're going to go to Cairo, you have to lead. What does that mean? You're going to have to do much more. So during our generation, we called a lot of people 3 minutes each. Okay? 3 minutes each with the intention of meeting with them for how long? 15 for an hour. So, if you look at the process talaga, I call you for 3 minutes, yes or no lang. Pag nag-yes ka, I talk to you for 15 minutes in normal conversation. Pag nag-yes ka, I'll show you the presentation.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yes, yes.
Now, how do you translate it in real life today? Now, if you look at the first part, even if referred ka or warm ka, may connection na kasi yun eh. So when I call Jen, Jen, this is Paz. I'm a friend of, for example, of Jovi. You were referred to me, okay? Because you are hardworking, because you are goal-oriented, and you are the kind of person we're looking for talaga. If the income was good, would you be open to come with me so we can discuss working together? Now, if you know people was assumed in the past, the connection has been assumed already. The name drop of connection has been assumed already. How do you bring it to the present? Now, you cannot have name calls anymore, yes? But those connections can be used on your Facebook,
Yeah.
Instagram, and social media accounts. You need to warm them first. Okay? For example, Erwin, for example, has developed a way where he sends videos to his contacts. Pag imagine ko yan, it's no different to creating a connection.
VHS.
Wala
VHS.
nilagay mo sa VHS. Right? Do you think he sends them to people he does not know? For sure, no? He might have sent them to people whom he reacted to,
Yes.
who reacts to him, and have a short conversation.
Yeah.
Now, in the past, we made 3-minute calls, tama? How long does it take you to react? Probably hindi 3 minutes, diba? So now the game is, how many reactions can you do in 3 minutes? Ibig mag-doom scroll ka, hanapin mo yung katulad mo, pag-react ka doon, at mag-comment ka doon. And if they comment back or react back, then you have a conversation. Tama? Now, in the past, pag nag-yes, mag-meet up for a normal conversation. Now, how many of you would agree na right now, it's not the same as the 2020 na our Zooms are 20, 30, 40, 50 people. Tama?
Yeah.
Yes? So I'm thinking, why can't you do one-on-one, Zoom for example, to build a conversation?
Yeah.
You can. And it could be the way you express the normal conversation.
Yeah. Initial.
Right. And if it becomes a yes, you can go meet for coffee. Because globally right now, more people prefer coffee meetups than Zoom meetings, kasi may Zoom fatigue na, at saka big meetings.
Yeah.
Because the reality is this, people, it's not that people have low attention span. I don't believe in low attention span. People are simply doing more in the... Ngayon kasi, whether you agree with it or not, mas marami activities ngayon kaysa no, tama?
Yeah.
And two, mas maraming opportunities ngayon. Yes or yes? In the past, we could flex flexibility. Agree or disagree? In the past, we could flex